All right, the first word is craven. It is an adjective, which adjective is a describing word, which means lacking even the rudiments of courage, objectively fearful. So it means that you are kind of a coward. Craven. The next word is vestige. It's a noun, which is a person, place, or thing. It's an indication that something has been present but is disappearing or no longer existing. So something that's kind of going away. Something that was there but is going away. The next word is plum. And it is a verb. A verb is an action word, and it means to examine thoroughly and in great depth. To examine something in great depth. Plum. The next word is propensity. Propensity is a noun, which is a person, place, or thing, and it means an inclination to do something. It means like the motivation to do something. The next word is chide. Chide is a verb, which is an action word. It means to scold or rebuke. So to chide someone means that you're yelling at them or telling them they did something wrong. Espouse. Espouse is a verb, which is an action word. A verb, and it means to choose to follow, like theories, ideas, policies, strategies, or plans. To choose to follow theories, ideas, policies, strategies, or plans. You all espouse the school policy of mask wearing. The next word is intrepid. It's an adjective, which is a describing word. It means invulnerable to fear or intimidation. So it means not afraid. Invulnerable to fear or intimidation. The next word is raiment. It is a noun, which is a thing, and it means especially fine or decorative clothing. Especially fine or decorative clothing. The next word is sedulous. Sedulous is an adjective, which is a describing word, and it means marked by care and persistent effort, showing dedication and diligence. So basically, it means by being diligent, it means by being careful, it means by continuing to try something, to be sedulous. And the next and last word for this week is allay. It is a verb, which is an action word. And it means to lessen the intensity of, to calm or diminish or put to rest fear, suspicion, or worry. It means to basically calm someone or something. Allay.